किती डिसाईड झालं सर?
No, nothing to be decided. All on the agenda was all the same, taking stock of all the pending issues and all this.
Which are the pending issues?
I think this fellow, our MD, Mr. Levinson, will give the full details.
संसोडाचे विषय बी किती आहे संसोडा
Sansada, we say Sansada in that high power committee they have already decided.
What they have decided?
They have decided when CM went to Margao.
Oh, the new
Yeah, whatever that they are going to set up that 15 PMT.
Sir, any update on Bangini?
Bangini
Bangini will be done. Process is on. It should be done soon.
So smart city चे किती
There is no smart city at all. This is not a smart city meeting.
No, but still the
Because smart city work is going on. Why now and then you are saying? You are raking up the same coffin. Which is
all the water logging started.
Babush,
sir.
contractor
Water logging,
आणि-
see, at present I have not received any complaint as far as any water logging is
So,
concerned.
कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आणि चडसो उजून ते उदकाच्योच लायनी फोडटा आणि ते उदीक सगळे मिक्सअप जाता
सिवेजीचे उदक
लोकांक त्रास जाता भितर.
See, I have not received any complaint as such, what you have referred to. I will look into it. But as far as flooding and all is concerned, at present, rain is still just started. It is premature to make any statement right now.
everything under control, sir.
Looks like no. Let us see. Prematurely, I can just not make a statement. It's just a starting of the rain. We'll see. Watch. Thank you so much.
सालिगांव
Bye-bye.
प्लांट एक्सपेंशन के प्लान का
किरे?
सालिगांव प्लांटाचं एक्सपेंशन आहे
The Salingaon plant is already expanded now at 250. We are having the other plants now.